Hello and welcome back to Chapter 6, Lecture number 14. So in this lecture we focus on the material setup, and that will be pretty much the same as the nettle, but using different values. Go to shading, and we want to have a preview, a rendered preview of our model. So right now we have a diffuse, and of course we also want to have the roughness. Non-color data and putting it right there. Keep the specularity on 0.5 because I now want to focus on the bump. Do not have a normal this time, so add vector bump. We'll do non-color data color into the heat. Use a value of 0.1, maybe 0.2, but I want to have a lot of specularity on this leaf and a little bit of bump. So I think this is too much, 0.05. Yeah, they reflect a lot, 0.1. All right, this is good. This is lovely about the Eevee render engine because you have real-time information, and when you have the cycles render engine for this type of work, it will really slow down, and getting a good preview is hard. So let's focus on the translucency. Add shader, mix shader, there you are. And I want to have a translucency image. Oh, that's the wrong one. That one. Add shader, translucency, and putting it into the bottom, and the color should be right there. And I want a value of 0.2. So if we increase the, well, it's already 6, but you can see the difference from the top and the bottom. That's perfect. Same for the yellow flowers. So we have celandine. So the sun lamp is way too much in this scene. So and you can change the specularity, and I think something between 2 and 3.3 will match. But to be honest, the real measurements, I would say, the real changes will come when you import your object into your scene, and you can see how they affect the world and match with the other objects. So celandine is pretty reflective, so because it's different than a nettle. So I think this is a great approach. All right, so let's check. The material is celandine, and the object name is celandine, and it's stored in the celandine collection. So what is left is we enable the plants, and we need to put them where we want to have them. And it's loading all the materials, and we should stay in the solid mode next time when we do things like this. And our reference is grass or the nettle. It is just a little bit bigger than the grass. And rotation and scale, and putting this close to the nettle. A bit smaller. Control A, rotation and scale. Yep. Because celandine is definitely not. It's between grass and the nettle. So material preview or rendered. So you can see the difference between the nettle bump and the celandine. All right, so look at that. We're getting close to a bigger library. So see you in the next lecture where we focus on a different plant. All right, bye-bye.